So you've seen the on-demand series is available for Making Time for You Pilates. And you're like, how does this work? How do I get it? So you've seen the Facebook ad. You're going to click on the link. It's going to bring you to Add Fit by Wix. You're going to add Fit by Wix. It's going to bring you to where you can subscribe. You're going to view the channel. And there's all these videos that you can try to work out wherever you like. You're going to press subscribe, and then they're all available to you. So how easy is it? We are going to go on map. You're going to press play. You're going to place your phone down. Some of these workouts are with a ball. It's easy. Here we go. Some are with weight. And maybe standing. The 1 kilo weight. Some are with a magic circle. With the chirping of the birds, you're at the beach, you've got the lapping of the waves. Some are with a resistance band. You just need to bring one of these to the bar, or none. Right. And others are with a TheraBand. Whole workout right here in front of you on your phone or iPad, taking you through the 40 to 45-minute class, wherever you want, wherever you go. It's that easy, and it's only $10 a month. Super cheap to have your exercises with you on the go. Some of them have no prop at all. And so click the link in the post and get your on-demand started today.